Ooh, let's see what we're getting into today. Let's see what we are getting into today. Yeah. These are a hit. These are a hit. These are a hit. These are a hit. Yes. Let's check it out together. Let's go. YouTube, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, NEPHRITE. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope y'all are having a very blessed day. In today's video, as you can tell from the title and as you can tell from the thumbnail, we are looking at, well, first I am bringing you another sneaker review, but today we are taking a look at an early pair of the Nike Dunk High in the University Red colorway, and I'm really excited to be showing you guys this because when these actually released a while ago, not so much a while ago, but a couple years back, they were in the low version and they were the Nike Dunk Low St. John, and the colorway with them being red and white as they are, I really wanted them, but I was not able to get them due to high demand. So it's really cool to see that Nike has now come out with a high version, which is also that University Red colorway, that white and red, and I'm just so excited. So without further ado, guys, I'm not gonna waste any more time because I'm really trying to see these, and let's dive into it right now. Let's go. But first, two things I want to go ahead and say before we actually dive into this unboxing. First thing first, I really do appreciate you guys so much for everything that you've done for this year. This year has been crazy and you guys have been showing a lot of love. I've been trying to go like all out. I've been trying to stay consistent as much as I really can. You guys have been reciprocating the energy and I absolutely love that. So I want to say if this is your first time coming to the channel, like the video, subscribe. The channel just hit 1,100 subscribers. Let me just say thank you so much. Like, that motivates me more than you understand. I'm going to keep going. The more you guys show love, the more I'm going to keep going. So let's go ahead and let's go to this. Let's shoot for the stars. Let's shoot for the stars. So I'm just really thankful for you guys so much. Thank you. The second thing as well, and I promise this is the last thing, we getting straight into these. The second thing is I always like to be color coordinated with the product that I'm reviewing. As I said, we are looking at the Nike Dunk High in the University Red. So the colorway is white and red. I already got my white on, so let me go ahead and get my headband on and let's dive straight into it right now. Let's get it. All right, boom, mama say, mama san, mama san. I have no idea why I said that. Your boy's looking a little rough right now, but I do apologize. Okay, so let's go ahead and get our knife right here. We do have a knife. Bings. This is our magical knife that we can cut into the box. So like I said, these are the Nike Dunk High in the University Red colorway. Now, as far as when these released, the release date is a little bit finicky for these because on all the sneaker news sources that I usually keep up all myself up to date with, they're saying that it's coming to the US for 2021. However, these haven't released in the US as of yet. These actually have released over in the EU. So that's kind of why I was able to go ahead and pick them up, because I was able to go on the secondary market GOAT, where I was able to go ahead and pick these up. And the prices aren't going bad. So as far as release date goes for these, I don't know entirely when they are, but as we get closer and as I see them, I'm pretty sure Nike will go ahead and actually, you'll see official images load up on their site. And when they do that, I will go ahead and update on the community post to let you guys know. But however though, yes, these are coming soon, and there they go right there, the Nike Dunk High University Red. Hold on, let me go ahead and break open this box. And here we go right here. You got your regular Nike box that all your dunks come in on. You have on the front, it has the white and the red. Looking on the side as well, you do have Nike in the red box. And then looking on to the sides right there, there goes your side description. I'm gonna go ahead and read this for you guys. So it does go ahead and read, Nike Dunk High Retro White University Red in a 10.5, which I did go ahead and get. And in women's, this is a 12. Let me go ahead and read you guys the SKU code just in case you want to go ahead and look it up right yourself. So it is DD1399106. You do got your SKU code right there. Let me go ahead and turn it around and boom. There it is. Bada bing, bada boom. So whew, let's go ahead and actually get ready and dive in these together. You know what I like to do? I like to bring you guys, I like to let you guys see above with me. Let's go ahead and peel back the box. Peel back? Come on. Pull back the box. So let's go ahead and do it. 3, 2, 1. Open that. You do have your regular box lid right there. And then as we go ahead and we look, there is, yes, there it is. The GOAT verification right there. And then is there a sticker in there? Yep. Right here. Ooh, I can already see the white and red. Here is the GOAT sticker right there. So as you can see, it's your normal tissue paper. Then as we go ahead and peel, let's peel it back together. 3, 2, and wow. Hello. Okay. Okay. Wait, hold on. Hold the phone though. These are clean. These are crispy. My bad, I'm still filming the video. Sorry guys, sorry. I got distracted. And here is the other right there. Man, these are actually really beautiful. My goodness. So nothing else came in the box, as you can see. It's just your regular tissue paper which they come in. Let's go ahead and close this. And then as I go ahead and put this down, let's dive into it. And here they go right here. Jeez Louise, as you can see, the Nike Dunk High in the University Red colorway. These are really, really phenomenal. Like I said, these came out a long time ago. These were in the low version, of course. They were the St. John's, and these come out, I think it was 2016. I wanted the lows so bad. I wanted them so bad, but due to high demand, when it comes to dunks, I was not able to get them. These are so cleansed though. Oh my God, these are fire. Let me go ahead and actually, all right. What do we want to review? What looks better on the camera? What's better? What's better for y'all? What is better for y'all? Let's go ahead and go with the left. Let's go with the left today. So starting with the sneaker, as you can see, looking at the back of it or the bottom of it, you have your outsole, you have your University Red outsole, and right smack in the middle with like all your dunks, you do have your Nike logo right there. Then as you come up a little bit more, you are hit with your white midsole that kind of goes right around. I'm sorry if you guys can hear like a dog barking. It's my neighbor's dog. I do apologize. As we go back to the sneaker though, coming up, you do have a white plush toe box, which is actually very, very nice and soft to the touch. I have to admit, as far as quality goes, now dunks usually don't have the best quality, but these are actually kind of nice. I can't even lie. Going back to the shoe though, I'm sorry, I do apologize. I just had to go ahead and make some side comment. As you can see, you have red laces that go up. You have your Nike tag right there, and it is in that University Red as well. And then as you go up to the side panels as well, you have your red, you have your white, you have your red, then you have your red swoosh. Let's go ahead and actually look inside. Let's take the shoe tree out. You look at the shoe tree, and as you can see, you do have an all white shoe tree in there. You go ahead and you do have your Nike swoosh right in the insole, as you can see. And then let me go ahead and see if I can pull anything out some more. There is, if you can see in there, it does say 10.5. I'm trying to show the best that I can. And then looking at there, you do have your tag right there if the camera would focus. Bada bing, bada boom. Going back, these are nice. These are absolutely beautiful. Now, if I'm not mistaken, don't quote me because I'm not, when it comes to like sneaker history, I'm not entirely the best. I know stuff, I don't know everything. I think these also came back out, but these actually came out in like a Be True to Your School pack a long time ago. I think it was 2016 as well. I could be wrong, I'm not entirely too sure. But the fact that they've actually come out again, and I think the colors are a little bit more, I guess you could say they pop more on these. They're more vibrant on these than they were back then, but these are honestly insane. Like, I like these a lot. You know how many crazy fits you can fit with these? Do you? You know how many crazy fits you can fit with these? A bunch. I know I probably didn't even go ahead and talk about it as well, but as far as sizing goes for these, I usually would go ahead and base dunks. Dunks fit very true to size, so whatever you fit in about Air Force Ones or Air Jordan Ones, go that same size. If you would like a snugger fit, go for a 10.5. I found that going for a 10.5, it's like a great fit. Going for an 11, which I usually am, I go ahead and when I fit into that, it's good, but I have a little bit of space onto the toe box right here. So just do your size conversions and you will be perfectly fine with them. And I'll leave everything in the comment down below or in the descriptions down below so you guys can see that. It is so crazy. Like 2021 has been insane when it comes to dunks this year. But here they go right here. These are the Nike Dunk High in the University Red colorway. Comment down below and please, please, please let me know what you think about them. Like I said, as far as release date goes for the US, there is no set date, but as we get closer, I will let you guys know. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and break away to an on-feet review over these beautiful babies. But before I do, I wanna give you guys just a closer glimpse again. So check them out right there. I almost said Air Jordan, the Nike the Nike Dunk High in the University Red colorway. These, when they do release in the States, will be an instant seller for sure. The colorway alone pops. As far as quality goes, the quality, I have to admit, maybe it could be just this pair, but the quality's not bad. Usually when it comes to quality on dunks, especially the ones we've gotten this year, they've been absolute garbage. But I mean, if you take away the quality and you're really just going for the style and the color of it, these are amazing. These are literally amazing, and I do see them being worth the price point that they're going for right now. If you do go ahead and look on the secondary market as well and go, these aren't going for too bad. I did go ahead and pick them up for $156 after tax and everything. I don't know about now, maybe the price point has gone up a little bit, but if you're interested in them, go ahead and check them out. So okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the review over the Nike Dunk High in the University Red colorway. Like I said, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for pulling up to the channel. Thank you so much for checking out the channel, giving me a chance to actually break down these shoes for you guys. So in case you are interested in buying them, you can buy them. I'm gonna go ahead and break away to the on-feet review. I love you guys so much. Like I said, thank you. I can't thank you guys enough for everything that you do for me. It really does mean a lot. I'm trying my best to stay consistent. I'm trying my hardest to, just bring the content for you guys. This is something I like, and when you guys go ahead and you reciprocate that energy, I just gotta go more and more and more. So this has been your boy, this has been your kid, NEPHRITE. Like I always say, there's only ever going to be one you. There is only ever gonna be one you. So be the best you. And until next time, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
Gems with the heat.